Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Google Contacts. Google Contacts is quite an important tool that many of us do not apply or fully utilize in our day-to-day life. So let's understand what Google Contact is, how to access it, and then how to use it. So Google Contact is a free cloud-based service from Google. It securely stores your contacts information in one place. It is not just a digital address book, but it keeps all your contacts updated, organized, and accessible across all your devices, from phone, tablet, to laptops and desktops. Just imagine never losing a phone number or email again. With Google Contacts, once you save a contact, it automatically synchronizes with Gmail and other Google apps. This means you can call, email, message anyone right from your favorite Google platform without searching through a messy list. So this is how it works. To access Google Contacts, open your favorite browser, search for Google Contacts, and make sure you are logged into your browser. So you click sign in, and automatically it brings you to this page. So from here, in case you are using this contact in your phone and you have been saving numbers in your phone, once you synchronize, all the phone's numbers will appear here. To create a phone number or to create a contact, click on create a contact. So here you can input the name of the contact. So that's the name, the company name, the job title, and then details of the email address. So the phone contact of the person, you can put it here. And then it also gives you option to add your birthday, month, day, and year, but this is optional. You can also input some notes related to this contact. For instance, where you made this contact or anything interesting about this contact. And upon adding that, you click save. So once you save, this is how your contact appears. And this contact is now available in your phone. If you open your Android device, you will find that the same contact can be accessed right from your Android device, provided you have internet and you have synchronized or you have enabled your device to synchronize. So just like your phone contacts, Google Contacts has option for deleting. And to delete a contact, you just click delete, and this goes to the trash bin. So in case you want this contact again, you can go to the trash bin, you click trash bin, and it will give you a list of deleted contacts. If you want to delete these contacts permanently, you can click empty trash, and it will give you an option to clear all the trash you have in your trash bin. Additionally, if you accidentally delete a contact, Google allows you to recover it within 30 days, which means the contact remains available in case you may need to recover it. And your contacts are backed up safely in a cloud. Plus, the powerful search feature helps you to find any contact instantly. So to search for any contact, type here the name of the contact and you click search. Once you search, it will get through your directory and it will make sure that it displays to you based on uh, the results in your directory. Again, it's also a powerful tool that enables one to integrate with the Google ecosystem. For instance, when you open Gmail, your saved contacts appear automatically, so you don't have to remember email addresses. When scheduling a meeting in Google Calendar or Google Meet, you can invite your contacts in just seconds using contacts saved in Google Contacts. So thank you once again. for coming to my channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.